You got Chico here, by your side, selling call options, the best of the best. So let's do a weekly recap from October 20th to 24th. So this week, successful week, 4 for 4 trade. We made 1673, and we'll talk about that in the spreadsheet. Throughout these trades, we started off with AMD, and later on, AMD got hot, but we got out quick enough. And then Tesla and Intel both reported earnings. I picked these two stocks because I didn't think, given at their price level, they would likely not have enough to up their sleeves, a secret card to surprise Wall Street and take their stock higher. And yeah, it happened to be the right play. We made good money off both of them. And we finished the week with one more play, which was Shopify. Shopify was hitting new highs after the CPI report came out. But it did go into the money a little bit, but we still made money on that one, just a little bit. So 4 for 4 trades, stellar, and really a good take this week, given that we have the 50K budget and we don't use any of the margin to give us coverage. Okay, so before we go to the spreadsheet, there was also two other important news pieces. One was I was surprised that Facebook, Meta, was laying off about 600 engineers, AI engineers specifically in the article. And in this competitive landscape, yeah, it's just mind blowing that they would do that. And some of them maybe reapplied to other positions in Meta, and so it's not really maybe 600, but still, I mean, to announce that and the cost of I imagine there was some serious cost to acquire some of these people, and yeah, they decided they wanted to make that move to shed these guys. The other big news was AMD surged to the 250 levels on Friday. That's because they announced some kind of deal with IBM. I don't know what the details is, but it was basically IBM using AMD chips in the future quantum computer that they want to build. So yeah, quantum computers, yeah, it's going to be quite a leap forward if they do succeed. But yeah, I didn't see any news details about that, about exactly what it entails. All right, let's go to the spreadsheet. Okay, this is what the spreadsheet looks like for October 20th to 24th. First, we started off the Monday with AMD. We sold 2 contracts at 430. Next day, it dipped, and we got out of there quickly to make a profit of 448. Then right before the earnings for Tesla, we sold 1 contract for 415. And yeah, the stock didn't even go anywhere close to the strike price that we sold the contract at. So next day, plummets down hard, and we closed it out at 20 cents to pocket 395. Next, we switch gears to Intel. And Intel, yeah, this stock, has quite the run this year based on a lot of investment news from like NVIDIA, SoftBank, and the government, and the whole turnaround story. I guess a lot of people are excited about it, and a lot of money's been piling in. And given their earnings release, they didn't really have anything that was that spectacular. It's just basically meeting the numbers for the last quarter, and even the upcoming quarter there was a little bit a hair shy. But yeah, the stocks did take off a little bit in the after hours, quite a bit, and after the first day of trading from earnings, they didn't really go up that much. So we were able to close it up at 6 cents and take a whopping profit of 792. And then Shopify was Friday. I thought I'd just squeeze in one more, so 2 contracts, because I think it surged a bit because due to the CPI figure, and so it did go into the money by a few dimes, 45 cents to be exact. And so we made money off the contract. We let go an expiration of $128, but then we would get an assignment, and then we had to fulfill that assignment. We would sell the stock, and that would cost us a net. We would acquire on the market if it were a naked situation, and so we would lose $90, but overall we was up 38. So for the week, 1673, and for the month, 3400 so far, and we're not done yet. So October, this is where we're at. We're, I think, near record here. If we keep this pace up, we'll maybe smash the all-time record for a month. And then for the month, yeah, or for the whole video series, we're up $8,209 so far. Well, there you have it. That's the end of this video for this week. yeah, we continue to look forward to more success in the upcoming weeks. Earnings season is still going. So stay tuned and don't forget to like the video, and hopefully we'll mint a lot more money.